So, paano nga ba mag-class change dito kay Arcade. Hey guys, this is PM and today ipapakita ko sa inyo yung proseso ng pagka-class change dito kay Arcade. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Arcade. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano nga ba yung proseso ng pagka-class change dito kay ArcH4. So tara, simulan na natin to. So first thing, kailangan yung bumili ng class exchange ticket. So para makabili kayo, pupunta lang kayo dito sa diamond icon. So click this diamond icon. And then from here, merong category dito na exchange. So go to the exchange and then from here, you can go to the free class exchange menu. Okay? So dito makakita kayo ng dalawang klase ng ticket. So number one is the Epic Class Exchange ticket and the second one is the Legendary Class Exchange ticket. So dito guys, since meron tayong Epic Class, pwede natin itong gawing perfect example kung paano magka-class exchange. Okay? Or class change. Now, kailangan nyo lang siyang bilhin. So gagawin ko, bibilin ko siya. And this is only worth 100 ArcH Gold. So technically, parang libre nyo na rin nakuha yung exchange ticket na yan. So once you purchase it, all you just need to do is to actually go to your inventory. Okay? Now, makikita nyo dito sa inventory na ito na yung ticket na binili nyo. So one tip na marerecommend ko dito before you even change your class, okay, is to make sure na chinek nyo muna yung mga classes available based on the category or the rarity. So dito guys, sa Epic Rarity, ito yung mga class na available that I can exchange to, okay, kapag nag-decide akong palitan yung main class natin. So dito, nakita nyo naman na si Harani guys is mage type, okay, pero pwede rin siyang maging gunner type. Though the stats are very different kasi dito ang main focus is in. Okay? So, depende yan sa class na mapipili nyo guys kung anong category ba yung sa tingin nyo is swak para sa inyo or sa playstyle nyo. Now, in selecting, it's better to have like the main weapon of that specific class. Yun yung pipiliin nyo na talagang pang main doon sa character na isi-switch nyo. So, kung gunner kayo, ito yung mga available na gunner class that you can choose from. So, always consider the stats kasi yung stats na yan is naka-based dun sa class type na pinili nyo. So, kung gunner, usually, Agi yan or Dex, okay? So, it's better that you always have a matching stat, okay? Dun sa current stat points nyo or dun sa stat point allocation nyo, dun sa class din na pipiliin nyo. So, ako hindi pa ako naglalagay. Undecided pa tayo dito sa character na to. But anyway, we're going to change it. Ang isa sa mga napupuso ang character dito is melee type naman. So baka ang gawin natin is either swordsman, okay, or sword type. So yan yung nakikita ko na pwede natin gawin right now here. Okay? So kapag nakapili na kayo, let's say ang napili natin guys is si Daro. Okay? Let's say si Daro yung napili natin or ito si Sage Aidan. Okay, so we can now go to the class exchange ticket. So namimili pa rin tayo guys kung ano yung pinaka-okay. Gusto ko kasi medyo balance lang. So ito kasi medyo mataas yung stat niya, 30. Compare dito sa mga nasa baba, ito 29 lang. Tapos ito 27. So siguro, medyo mababa din yung stats na ito. Okay, so ito pinakamataas. Yan natin guys. Siguro pipiliin na lang natin si Daro Palos. Okay, so kasi yung stats niya is somehow medyo ahead aside from others. Okay, so ngayon pupunta tayo na inventory and then let's look for the legendary or the epic class exchange ticket. So click nyo lang yung use and then from here you put your class and then you can switch it to Daro. So from there, all you just need to do is to click on exchange and then from here, ayan, may exchange na siya ng kusa. But mind you guys that before you even exchange, kailangan may weapon kayo. So kung wala kayong weapon na gamit, then you can actually go ahead and go to the village. Okay, so labas muna tayo dito guys. So this is the dungeon. Now, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is pupunta kayo sa market. Okay, so dito naman, nasa market naman na tayo. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin dito, guys, is kunin yung equipment. So, bibili lang tayo kung sakali mang wala. Pero ito, this is a selection chest. So, pwede nating piliin agad dito yung sword. So, meron na tayong weapon na gamit. So, yan. Okay na. Ang laki ng sword niya, guys. Oh. Grabe. Ang haba, guys. Anyway, punta na tayo sa quest. So, there you have it. Na-change na natin yung class natin. But again, hindi pa ako naglagay ng stats dito, guys. Okay? So, wala pa tayong nilalagyan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga stat point pa tayo na pwedeng magamit dyan. But anyway, I'm gonna be focusing on this character naman as a melee type kasi meron na tayong range character. Currently, level 55 na tayo. So, maglalabas tayo ng video regarding that as well. But hopefully, meron kayo natutunan dito. And if you like this one, kindly share it with your friends. Share nyo na rin sa mga tropa nyo na naglalaro ng Arcade 1. Yun lang, and alam nyo na, peace out.